If I say in this book there is secrets that can change your life, you will say I am a crazy person. So in this book, this is a big book. If you have to read this full, it is very good. So if you want, I'll put the link down. You can just go and buy in Amazon. So why I'm recommending this book is, when I read this book, it changed my life. So what is this book? This book is Think and Grow Rich. What is the secret? There is many secrets, but in this there is one secret. There is 3 things that you can learn from this book that can immediately transform your life to make whatever you want. If you want riches, if you want the money you want, if you want the house you want, everything can be made. But for that, you need to have faith. So hi guys, so if you're first time on this channel, do subscribe, do comment, do like. I want to give you one big point in this book. What is written? This book is named the Think and Grow Rich. What does that mean? That if you can think, you can grow rich. That is basically what this book tells us. But many people don't believe this. So why is that? We have faith in some things. What do we mean by faith? Vishwasam. So what do you mean by this faith? Faith means we have belief. Like if I have to take a police officer, and if I say that police officer that you can't shoot a person, you don't know how to use a gun, he will laugh at me because he know in his heart and he believes that he know how to use the gun. Same way, if I say a person, a sailor who's going to sea, that he will feel sick if he goes to sea, he'll laugh at me. Why? Because he has faith that he has done repeatedly. He has been going to sea, he knows the sea, he does not feel sick, so he has faith. So how does this book help us? So in this, the biggest thing is faith. So whatever is your present situation, if you look at it, you believe in that, you have faith in that is your present situation. So if you are living in a poor house right now, in a not a wealthy family right now, and I ask you why is that, you will by indirectly say me that what to do, I am born like this, I don't have. So in your mind and your belief, that faith is there. So if we use this faith, you can change your life. So how do you use this faith? You can change. See, faith cannot be changed overnight. It can be changed step by step, and you can do it by 2 things. So what are the 2 things that can help to change your faith? One is auto-suggestion, and the second one is visualization. So what is auto-suggestion? Auto-suggestion means speaking, like speaking to yourself, speaking to others, speaking whatever you are saying by words, that is auto-suggestion. You're programming. So faith can be programmed. It cannot immediately. See, if I say right now I want to be like Jeff Bezos, I can't today get up and say I'll be like Jeff Bezos. No. You have to do it regularly. You have to get up regularly, say I want to be a big businessman, or I want to be a big doctor, I want to be a very bright student. Anything it can be. If you want to be a good student also, every day, because how is a student being programmed? The parents might be saying, once when the child gets low grades, the parents might be saying that she's very stupid, she's dumb girl. So the girl gets programmed. So instead of that, the child can herself change her life by just saying to herself that I'm good in studies, I'm very bright, I'm one of the toppers. And the second one is visualization. What is visualization? Visualization means dreaming. So how do you do that? Getting up in the morning and going to sleep at night, closing your eyes and sitting back and thinking of what it will be like. So you have to think of the end result. What is the end result? If you get the good grades, how happy will you be? How will be you acting? How will your parents be? So that you have to be visualizing. Or if you are thinking of earning some money, like you want 1 lakh rupees cash right now, how will you feel when you get that one? So close your eyes and visualize. So this is the 3 things. So if you can change your faith, you can change your life. And changing faith is easy just by visualization and affirmations. And affirmations is very important in our life. You think every day, just think of the words you are speaking. Everything you are saying is affirming. So what is it? What does that mean? So think about what you're speaking to your child or how you're speaking to your neighbor. Maybe you're speaking more of complaints. Oh, my life is bad. Everything is bad. I am not worthy. I got a bad husband. So think of what you're saying and try to change that. Just fine tune it. It cannot be done immediately, but you can start from today. It is simple things that can change your life. And these simple things, it definitely change. So just have faith in yourself. Do the steps that is being told. So this is a pure technique I'm sharing today. So if you have any doubts on this, please comment and do subscribe. You subscribing helps me know that you're understanding what I'm sharing with you. This channel is for me bringing the best in you. It will be mentally, physically, emotionally, and I will be trying to transform you in every way I can. So do support and do subscribe. Thank you.